This is how to apply press-on nails with Dank Claws Prep Kit. First, we'll start off by filing the free edge of our natural nails. Now we'll use the wooden orange stick to push back our cuticles. Next, we'll buff the surface of our natural nails. Now we'll use our alcohol wipe to wipe the surface of our natural nails and remove any dust and natural oils. If you're using adhesive tabs, first you want to find the size that fits your natural nail best. Make sure it does not extend past your natural nail bed. Let's remove the film and place the adhesive tab on our natural nail. Press it onto your nail firmly, making sure that it does not make contact with the skin on the side of your nail bed. Now we'll peel off the backing of our adhesive tab and attach our press-on nail. Press the nail down firmly for maximum hold. If you're using nail glue, first you want to cut off the tip of the glue. Then you'll apply some glue to the center of your nail bed and on the free edge of your natural nail. Then you'll want to attach the press-on to your natural nail, starting at the cuticle. Repeat the process for all of your nails. I highly recommend applying your press-ons to your dominant hand first because this will make the process much easier. It's highly recommended that you do not get your nails wet for the first 2 hours after application, as this might weaken the glue. I like to apply my press-ons at night before bed because then they have some time to set.